Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about LensGo.ai. So this video is just going to showcase what you can do with LensGo and some of the things that you can creatively create really on here. So it's very nice and it's got a few options that you can go for. So it's basically going to be a platform that is going to be using AI to generate images, as well as the main focus for this video is going to be videos. It can actually generate videos with prompts. Not only that, it does also include a feature where you can remix videos and restyle photos. So this means you can actually upload your own video and then you can just type in a few things, and guess what? It's going to actually remix it for you, and it's going to look um, different, and it's going to have a different style, even if it's a real life video, which is awesome. So we can see here, once we actually go to LensGo.ai, you can just simply sign up for free. It doesn't really require any money to sign up. And the interface here is very minimalist. You don't really get much, even for the settings here. If you see, you'll find your username, mail, that kind of stuff, role, if you are an artist, student, that kind of stuff, mature content, just turn that off. And then that's it, really. You don't really get much. But here we have a few options to go through. We've got the remix video, we've got restyle photo, training and models, animate videos, and then create images. Also, before we actually get started, we've got the plans here. If we go to our plans, it does have a free plan, which is going to give you 50 points, I think, every single day. If your tokens balance drops below 50, automatically replenish the balance to 50 points as a daily incentive. So yeah, it's a daily thing. You get 50 points, which are obviously going to be used for creating videos and stuff. So it's going to be very important. It does going to have a watermark if you use the free version, as well as these things are not going to be available. And then standard, you will be getting as such here. No watermark, which is very nice. And then you can see how many images that you can generate, HD, and also the videos and stuff. You can see that from here. And then it's going to be $6 a month for the standard. For the pro, you get $22 a month. I think it's 30 originally, here 9 originally. And then you will also just be getting more stuff here, like the amount of HD images they can generate with the Pro are going to increase. Obviously, everything from the previous plan and stuff. And then lastly, is going to have the Mega plan, which is going to be, I think, 60 a month, which is going to give you just plenty of things to work with. So if we exit out of this somehow, we can see if we just click on, for example, the remix video, here is going to be where I told you you can just get a video from your own computer or whatever device you're using by just clicking on here, upload videos, and then you can just upload a video. And then from here, you can just type in whatever you want, really, and it's actually going to do it for you. I'm not going to do this one specifically because I want to make sure I utilize my points here, but this is as an example. So you just upload a video and then you simply just type in whatever you want. So that's for the remix video. Same thing for restyle photo. You can just upload a photo. If we do that real quick, and then you can just type in what you want to change about it. You've got prompts here already typed in if you want to use those if you want. So it's a free thing, by the way. You can type in whatever you want, really, and it's going to actually work wonders for you. Okay, so we've got training and models here for custom themes, I guess, styles for your specific images that you can upload here, and then you create a custom style. You get 3 for the free trial. You don't really get many for the training and stuff. I think per month, if we see. Yeah, 3 train up to 3 models a month. Okay, so and then we get to create images, which is very simple and self-explanatory. You just upload, you don't upload an image, you just type in whatever you want, the prompt, and it's going to create an image for you. And you see here the points are going to be 4 points to actually do it. But our main focus here, animate videos. If we click on animate videos, we will be able to just start typing our prompts and setting up the settings. So on the left here, you will find your points, which we talked about already. For the free, when you start, you get 100, and then once it drops below 50, daily you will be replenished with 50. Okay, so then we get the models. Model is going to be how it's going to look like, the style of the video. So if you click here, you will find some of the models that are going to be available. The first one is going to be like almost real, and then anime, and we've got other styles here to choose from. So what I'm going to go for, let's go fantasy. I think that kind of looks nice. Okay, so next, after we just select the model, we will find image dimensions. 16 by 9 I think is going to be best, but it's up to you to choose which dimensions you want. And then video duration is going to be normal or longer. You don't really get extra options here, but notice how once you change some of these settings, you will find that the cost increases, because you see video duration normal, you will get 8 points, and then if we have longer, it's going to be 16. So careful what you choose here. So let's just go for normal. And then lastly, you get the camera movement. So for camera movement is basically going to be how the camera moves. It's self-explanatory. So if you wanted to zoom in, zoom out, roll clock, move left, move up, move down, or you just want it to be stationary, you can just click on none. So I'm trying to create a cabin kind of scenery here, so let's just do none. I don't want it to move at all, so we can just select that. But if you want, you can select whatever you want here, and it's going to be done for you. It doesn't increase points, as you can see. Okay, so let's just go for prompts here. This kind of looks nice. A boat in a body of water with clouds behind it, with a lantern and trees on top. Okay, I'm going to actually give that prompt a try. They kind of suggest some prompts for you to try if you want, or you can type your own. So let's just try this one and click on start and see what happens. So we just give it some time, and it's going to give us some of the summary that we used, the dimensions, as well as the model that we chose, and obviously the prompt, and it's going to be creating. Now I think I'm just going to pause the video until it's done creating, so I don't waste your time. So be right back. Okay, so it kind of took a little bit of time. I think 2 minutes and a half, maybe, or 3 minutes. So you would expect that with this type of service. This is really actually like awesome that you can just type in a prompt and then you can generate a video. So this is the video that we generated. You can see it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, it's actually really, really nice now that we have this kind of prompt. Now, obviously, what you can do if you don't like it much, you can just start again with the same options. If you want to just re-roll, you can save it, obviously. And then we can also do things like change the model if that's what we want. So we can just do Elden Ring, for example. Good game, by the way. But if we just choose this and then we start again, and it's going to give us a different model, which I will actually do right now. So just so we see the difference between the two. Same prompt, same everything, just different prompt. And actually, let's make it longer a little bit. This one was 2 seconds. So let's do longer and see how long it's going to be. So I'll be right back until it's done loading, and then I will just show you guys what I got. Okay, this actually took quite some time, even more than the previous one. If you want to know exactly, you can just go back a little bit and see what time it was when I started, and it's now 38. So I think it took 4 to 5 minutes, but you can see the different art style because of the model here. Before we actually start the video, before I even forget, these models are trending. So, like, you can sign up at a different time and then you could find possibly different models here. So, keep that in mind. It's not going to always be the same. I think some are going to always be there, but some are also going to be changing. But here, if we look at it, oh, let me go full screen. So we can see the top right, bottom right, we can see the watermark, and then we can also see the video, which is very, very nice. I actually quite like it. Here's a lantern that the prompt says, and you can see the difference in style, man. It's actually really nice. I love it. So you can really just play around with the model. You can play around with the dimensions and also the camera movement. I should have actually included that within this example. But I think it's very self-explanatory and easy to use. This is not just it. You can just download them from here, by the way. So other than that, you can also do the same thing for remixing photos and videos. So you can just upload them and see for yourself. So I hope this video showed you LensGo, and this way you can just really create stunning scenery really with this platform. Thanks for watching, guys.